Hello everyone. This issue is a light coloring video. Background words. My friends who have watched my other videos before, you should also know the color of this leather sculpture. It should start from the bottom layer. It's the exact opposite of the carving sequence. For engraving, it starts from the top layer, then slowly knock down. Then when coloring, usually lay a large base color first. Combine the original image. I used a blue base for this one. Then this layer is relatively light. I may be late because of this color. If you go to deep, if it goes to cover, it needs to be white. You can only add it with the color of acrylic. Other colors are not very good. Then when changing the color, after you wash the pen, rub twice more on the napkin. Make sure its color is already light before it can be used. Light blue words. If you run out, use yellow. You'd better change your pen, because blue and yellow will turn green when mixed. No matter how clean you wash it, it still has a little bit left over. After the first stroke was stained with yellow at the beginning, the first stroke it must have been slightly greenish. Then when punching, the tip of our pen better be facing our edge. And then light the circle behind the previous one. That location. In fact, I want to make it have a layer, a gradual change from the outside in. So I'm drawing that pen belly on the outside. Then the nib is facing the middle in an order like this, like the one in hand now. It was a small gift from me during the live broadcast. If anyone is interested, I can also check it out when I live stream. I will set some small gifts from time to time for everyone. Then like this layer, it's this stripe on his head, pink on the shoulder. Use pink here, but pure pink is very, very bright. So I basically had this alcohol paint. When I go up, I always add water first. I'd rather just layer it up. I am also a little afraid that the color will not be changed after it is deepened. Then in the process, in fact, it is a test of patience. And then words like this. It actually, said it before, it is an anime of this type. So it's not too complicated to paint. Alright, I'll stop here for the large block color shop in this issue. I'll back. I may put some other small colors first. Give it, and then start the live stream. You can follow my homepage. Because of my live broadcast time. Haha, it's so random. Bye.